How to use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11. So if you want to use multiple audio outputs on Windows 11, then what you need to do is go with search. Under search, you need to search for sounds and then go with change system sounds, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Go with playback and make sure that your output that you're using is the right one. But if it is not, you can simply right click on it and then go with enable. Once you've enabled, you can go with apply and go with OK. And after that, you need to go with the recording section and right click on the space, and here make sure that it is ticked on, which is show disabled devices and show disconnected devices, because we need to have the stereo mix option. So if you have the stereo mix option, like if you don't find this, then you need to right click on it and then enable these two options. Once you've enabled, you'll get the stereo mix option. You need to right click on it and then go with enable. Once you enable the stereo mix, you need to simply go with apply and go with OK. And after that, you just need to simply restart your computer and check if it's working properly. So that's how you can use your multiple audio outputs on your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.